Writing is a happy place for many as it provides a sense of comfort to them. It is not only a rewarding hobby but a sophisticated choice of career as well. So if you believe that your writing skills are worth putting into some well-deserved cash, continue watching till the end of this video to find out authentic ways to make use of your skill to earn from the comfort of your home. Writing as a career includes article writing, blog writing, academic writing, news writing, and etc. Moreover, you can easily make this a way of passive earning and even can take it along with your full-time job. But before we go to websites, subscribe our channel if you have not yet and press the bell icon so you don't miss informative videos in future. So content writers, rooting for you all to make a living out of what you love. Medium.com. Medium is a widely used website by a number of writers globally. Writings over Medium aren't niche specific. You got a thing with words? Write it up. From educational, motivational to entertaining genre, to blog, articles, stories or poem writing, write anything that makes you happy. The more readers subscribe to your blog and read your piece of writing, the more you earn. An average Medium article helps you earn around $4 to $8 per 1,000 views. The website is mostly free to use, but you can also buy a pro version to avail additional features. Vocal.media. Vocal works similar to Medium blog and is accessed by a wider range of audiences around the world. Just write articles and let the traffic come to your writing. In order for you to gain more readers, make sure you write on trending and hot topics. Moreover, there are weekly challenges on various themes that you can sign up for and earn real good money by completing them. Average article written on Vocal Media will let you earn an easy $3, $4 per 1,000 reads. WriterBay.com. WriterBay is one of the greatest freelance writing websites. A few of the freelance writing fields of interest available here include accounting, law, psychology, sports, music, and tourism. A bachelor's degree is one of the most crucial prerequisites for working in this content mill. To apply, simply follow 4 basic steps. Complete the application form. Must pass the grammar test. Create a brief prompt and submit an essay sample. Upload a photo of your CV and academic credentials. There are no registration costs, and you get a lifetime membership for free. WriterBay provides the ability to manage your own workload and provides a competitive salary as well. Wow-womenonwriting.com. Wow Women focuses on female authors and a monthly theme. Begin by reading previous Wow articles. You'll want to get a sense of the site's tone. Wow Women focuses on business innovation, freelancing, and training. They look after female authors, support them, and really want to help aspiring freelancers. Their audience is diverse, but they are all committed to creating quality material for women. A 3,000-word feature piece can earn you up to $150. You can request payment via PayPal or, if you live in the United States, via check. Contena.co. Contena is a premium, one of the best freelance writing websites. Though it's writing job finder, it automatically compiles the greatest freelance writing gigs from throughout the web. You may search and filter through them to find the greatest jobs, whether it's a $10,000 per month full-time ebook writing gig or a one-time blog article in the sports sector. iWriter.com. This is one of the most important places to visit if you want to get article writing employment in content mills. It is one of the top platforms for finding content writing jobs on online magazines, news sites, and large content publications. You can register for free simply by filling out a form and passing a 250-word writing exam. The amount you receive is determined on your level, which ranges from standard to premium, elite, and elite plus. Rates start from approximately $3 for 500 words at the starter level and $30 for 500 words at the elite plus level. So just go and show tour writing skills on these sites and earn cash. Happy writing! If you find the information helpful, then comment, share and like the video and subscribe our channel.